Many entrepreneurs believe their problem is traffic. They think, if I just had more followers, more views, more ads running, then clients will magically start coming. But in many cases, the real problem is not traffic. The real problem is message clarity. So there are 3 reasons many entrepreneurs struggle to attract clients with their message. And once you understand these 3 things, just 3, marketing begins to feel very different. Reason number 1, identity is unclear. See, the first reason messages do not attract clients is identity confusion. Many entrepreneurs say things like this: I help people grow. I help people succeed. I help people improve their life. But those statements are too broad that nobody knows if it actually is for them. Think about restaurants. A restaurant that says, we serve food, is not very helpful. But if a place says, Texas barbecue, now you instantly know if it's for you or not. You're thinking about barbecue, that sounds kind of good right about now. But the point is this: identity works the same way in business. The clearer your identity is, the easier it is for the right people to recognize you. When identity is vague, your message becomes invisible. Reason number 2, assignment is unclear. The second reason messages do not attract clients is assignment confusion. You see, 2 people can offer the exact same service, but their message will feel completely different because assignment determines what conversation you're called to lead. Think about teachers. 2 teachers can teach business, but one might focus on leadership, marketing, mindset, systems. Same category, different assignment. When your assignment becomes clear, your marketing stops sounding generic. Instead of trying to sound like everybody else, your message begins to carry conviction. Reason number 3, authority has not been established. The third reason messages struggle to attract clients is lack of authority. See, authority is not hype. Authority happens when people recognize this. This person understands my problem. Imagine someone trying to lose 50 pounds. They'll listen to a trainer, but they'll lean in even more when they hear someone say, you know what? I used to struggle with this too, and here is what changed. See, that experience creates credibility. Authority is built when identity becomes clear, assignment becomes clear, and experience supports the message. Now your voice begins to carry weight. See, many entrepreneurs believe their marketing problem is tactics. More content, more ads, more funnels. But often, the real issue is the foundation of the message. See, that's exactly why I wrote my book, Kingdom Marketing Secrets. Inside the book, I walk through the framework that helps entrepreneurs align their identity, assignment, and authority so their marketing starts attracting the right people naturally. If you would like to explore that framework much deeper, you can grab a copy using the link below.